Hey, what's up? It's Miss Miyagi. I hope that y'all please subscribe because it's cold out here, and I'm just doing a quick little video. Um, it snowed, y'all. We had warnings of a winter storm that nobody really took serious, and yeah, as you can see, it snowed. The last time it snowed was 1989, y'all, and I think they had like 2 to 4 inches of snow. But as of right now, we have no power. And we're gonna run up to the gas station to see. They should have power, you know, some coffee, some tea, something. And but we good, we safe. And about earlier this morning, I don't know if the cell phone towers froze, but the cell phones would not work. Like no signal. It was only emergency only calls. Wouldn't connect to the Wi-Fi. That was when we had power, and then I think the power went off about like 5 this morning. So I was out here taking some pictures. That's one of my little hobbies I like to do. So I got some nice little pictures. But yeah, we trying to stay warm. I got this scarf on. I don't even know if I have it on right. It's cold out here, y'all. I got my hat on. And yeah, even the dogs that want to come outside, like it was too cold for them. This is the first time they've been in snow. So other than that, we just trying to stay warm. And I'll show y'all some more pictures of the little snow we got. I know this ain't compared to New York and up there, but you know, it's a lot for us, y'all. We ain't never had snow. So, and I actually grew up in the snow. So I think the last time I was in snow, I had my little snowsuit and my little sled and everything. Those were the good old days. I think I was like, what, 5 or 6 is when the last time I had, you know, lived in the snow and all that other good stuff. But yeah, this is a first for me. It's been a long time since I've seen snow, but get over here. Come on. But other than that, we good. We good. But yeah, all this snow, y'all. About to go put on my boots.
He's mad. Gotta stay out there in the snow. First time seeing snow, Bruno.
You want to come in? Huh? What, Bruno? What, Bruno? You don't have a ice scraper.
I'm used to this. I'm from
You use a hairbrush.
Wow.
Scotland?
Scotland. Okay.
Wow. Oh, they're coming on by itself.
There we go.
But yeah, it's Miss Miyagi. Y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button so I can stay warm. It ain't gonna help me stay warm, but you know, y'all hit that subscribe button. And